Welcome to our channel. If you're interested in visa processing trends, particularly the 190 subcategory visa, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into the latest data as of October 2024, examining the visa lodgement, pending applications, processing stats, and where things stand for future processing. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break down this important visa processing data. Let's start with an overview of the visa applications pending as of September and October 2024. For each month of lodgement, we have a detailed breakdown of pending applications and the number processed in October 2024. We'll also highlight key months with significant changes. We can see that only 69 applications have been processed from 2022 lodgements, where 146 applications are yet to be processed from 2022 applications. Meanwhile, 2,577 applications were processed from 2023 lodgements, leaving back 18,382 applications pending to be processed from 2023 lodgements. 799 applications were processed out of 2024 applications, which indicates priority processing considering the shorter processing time taken, leaving back 10,021 applications, yes to be processed from 2024 applications. Here's a closer look at the pending applications for January 2022 through to September 2024. As you can see, some months had a relatively stable number of pending applications, while others saw more significant fluctuations. Now let's focus on the data from October 2024. In April 2023, we saw a massive leap in processed applications, where the number of processed applications skyrocketed to 1,183, compared to 908 still pending. That's a significant jump. Now, let's talk about the biggest month for processing. March 2023 had a remarkable 244 applications processed, and in April and May, 1,183 and 1,010 applications were processed respectively. It stands out as the months with the highest volume of processed applications when we look at the trends over this period. Processing speeds were much faster than usual, indicating that things were picking up pace around that time. Fast forward to October 2024, and we can see the impact of those efforts. In October 2024, there were 2,214 new lodgements, 3,453 visas were granted, with 59 refused and 30 withdrawn. However, what's even more interesting is the total number of applications still pending. As of October 2024, there are 28,701 applications on hand. This gives us an overall view of how the backlog is shaping up as the new lodgements come in and previous applications get processed. Next, let's break down the planning levels. The planning level for the 190 subcategory visa is set at 33,000, and as of October 31st, 2024, approximately 14,610 applications have been consumed, which is about 44% of the target for this year. This means the remaining planning level is approximately 18,390. But here's something critical to note. The planning levels are expected to be consumed by both priority and non-priority grants. Assuming that around 20% of the remaining level will be taken up by new priority grants, we can expect around 15,000 planning levels to be available for clearing the non-priority backlog. So what does this mean for future processing? If we look at the backlog for applications up to October 2023, it's roughly around 15,000. This suggests that for this financial year, we can expect to see visa grants for applications lodged until September or October 2023. However, depending on how the remaining planning levels are distributed, we might even see a small number of grants for some applications lodged in late 2023, particularly for those who applied in November or December 2023. The backlog of older applications continues to be cleared, and based on the current data, it looks like we might see progress in processing these older visa applications in the coming months, with a slight chance for some of the more recent ones to be processed sooner. To summarize, the 190 subcategory visa has seen a fluctuating but somewhat steady pattern of visa applications over the past few years. As of October 2024, the number of pending applications remains substantial, but the processing speeds have picked up in some key months like March 2023 And with the planning level adjustments, we can expect continued progress in the coming months. If you are waiting for your application to be processed or just keeping an eye on the trends, it's important to stay updated on these changes. We hope this video has helped you understand where the 190 subcategory visa process stands and what you might expect in the coming months. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.